Good afternoon, students, and welcome back to the University of El Salvador. My name is Johnny, and today I'm going to teach you a wonderful topic for this subject, Didactics of English Teaching 2, semester first of 2023. And we're gonna review some of the most important parts for a daily routines and also on time. We're going to start with the main information for the class that I'm gonna give you today. The lesson plan topic is my day and also your day. This has been designed for your level pre A1. This class is going to have a class length of 45 minutes and has been designed for 10 students. Yeah, it's a pleasure to me to give you today this class to the American school that you are located in El Salvador. All of you have 18 years old, and we're going to get along today. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. The objective for this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe your daily routines by using simple present and time. You will be able to apply the use of daily routines tenses in a real conversation. And also you will be able to compare and contrast your daily routine in speaking conversations. The last objective, you will be able to express more fluent your daily routine in speaking activities. And let's get started then with the topic. We have the language function. We have daily routine and talking about time. We're gonna be talking about the time as well, beside the daily routine. For example, the structure that I have it is I wake up, I get up at 8 o'clock. I get up at 8 o'clock. The daily routine it is I get up, and if we start talking about a time, it is at 8 o'clock. It's gonna be one single sentence. And we have different type of process, but before to introduce you, we're going to start with a warm-up. My name is Johnny, so I will need to know you guys a little bit more. We're going to do an activity in which you will need to introduce yourself in front of the class, and beside that, you will need to let us know one daily routine that you usually do. And for example, I will show you here an example, and you will need to say, "Hello, classmate. My name is Johnny, and I get up at 8 o'clock every day." That's what you need to say, right? That's the first thing you will need to say. It's something common that you do in your daily basis. And okay, so we're gonna start with the class. So, can you please, guys, introduce yourself? We're going to start with David. Go ahead, David. You can introduce yourself to the class. Wonderful. I can. That's great. I understand that you take a shower at 7 a.m. I think so that everybody do the same thing as you, but in a different time. That's very good to know it. And now, let's go, Marcia. Introduce yourself to our class. Great. Thank you very much for introduce yourself to the class, Marcin. Yeah, that's great. I can say that I'm hungry because today I didn't have a breakfast, but so far as you said that you usually have a breakfast at 6 a.m., it's good to know it. It's very good to know it because sometimes some of the students do not have a breakfast in the morning, and you do it. That's wonderful. And let's gonna move on here. After the warm up that we did, I was wanted to know you, right? You introduce yourself to the class. Now, in case the classmates didn't know what was your name, yeah, didn't know what was your name, now they know what is your name. And we're going to start with an activity that I would like to develop with you guys. Is a during a speaking activities. This will last 10 minutes to be completed. And some of the process and information that we are going to review is going to be a little entertainment. So do not worry if you are getting bored. You can let me know. We can make this class funny, right? I understand that we love to learn English, but in a funny way. I like it as well. So I will show you a video in which there are 10 pictures. So you will need to guess what is the daily routine that is hidden in the video. As soon as you guess, you can say it out loud, you can let me know, and beside that you can write it down on your book just for future references. This will help you to practice your speaking, and also this will help you to understand the main ideas for this topic. So I'm gonna play the video in order to you be able to guess what the video about. Right now it's loading, so please pay attention. If you see advertisements, do not worry because it's part of the video. Right now it's still loading. Please get ready your book, your pen, or pencil. If you don't listen to it, oh well, even this doesn't have a sound. But if you see it, yeah. Okay, you can see there are different pictures about a daily routine, and you will need to guess what is the daily routine about. Okay, pay attention. That's the first. At 7 o'clock. What do you do every day at 7 o'clock? If you have the answer, let me know. You can say it out loud. Yeah, that's right, David. That's the correct answer. Yeah, wake up. Wake up at 7 o'clock. Oh. Yeah, what do you do at 7:30 a.m.? That's right, Marseille. You eat the breakfast. Great, yeah, you guess it. And now, at 8 o'clock, what do you do? What do you do? You can let me know. Everybody do this. Oh, everybody have this wonderful habit. Yeah, that's right, Marcia, you guessed it. You got an extra point. You brush your teeth. Very good, very good. And now at 8:15, you please let me know what do you do. I think that this should be the first thing, right? But everybody has a different daily routines. No, that is not right, Joshua. But yeah, okay. Take a shower. You got it, Marcel. And in the morning, what do you do in the morning? I hope you guess it. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Sure, tell me. There are not wrong answers. I can say that if you say it in practice, you will become fluent. Go for a walk. Yeah, go for a walk. And at 1 o'clock, what do you do at 1 o'clock? Sometimes this may happen at 12. Yeah, but some of you eat until, yeah, 1 o'clock. All of the class, yeah, I can see here that all of the class guess it. Eat lunch. Eat lunch, that's right. In the afternoon, what do you do in the afternoon? Internal are 10 pictures. Almost done. You read it, right? Oh, you see a book? What do you mean? What do you think that it is? A book, a person? Yeah, you are right. Read a book. Very good, guys. Very good. I'm really proud of you. This one, what it is? You can see someone is preparing something. What do you think? Oh, you say cook. But I gotta wait to see it. Oh, great. Cook a dinner. You are right. 6:80. And in the evening, what do you do at the evening? At the evening, are you able to guess this one? Are you able to do it? I think so. Play video games? I'm not sure. I'm not sure now. Okay, yeah, that. I can say that watch TV is the correct one. Well, very good because you try it, and that's great. And the last one, are you able to guess what it is about? What type of daily routine it is? I think that everybody loves this one. I love it as well. Go to bed. Yeah, I got to bed at 10. In my case, I got to bed at 11. Wonderful, guy. I can see here that you have been interacting a lot with this video, and I really like it because if you practice a lot, I can say that you will do it great. But some of the mistakes that I listen, it is like it. You say it. You pronounce different the word eat. You need to say eat, eat. Repeat it back to me, please. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Go ahead. Repeat it after me. Well done. Yeah, that's correct, guys. You did it very good. I can say that with this activity, you will be able to watch the activity and be able to pronounce it without fears. That's why I said at the beginning that if you make mistakes, do not worry because this is not our first language. So at the end, you will be getting used to speak. First, you will need to speak as low, as clear as you can, and based on that, you will become more fluent in English. This is part of the process to learn. And this video is on YouTube. If you want to keep watching the video, to interact with the pictures and you be able to answer after the picture, you can watch the video. It's a good source that you can have on YouTube, right, to double check the information. To me, it was a pleasure to you guys to give it to you this class.